Hi there, Wolfpack. I'm meteorologist Katie McGee here in the NCSU Weather Center, and I'm sure you noticed when you woke up this morning, it sure as heck wasn't anything like it was yesterday morning. In fact, it was 20 degrees cooler than it was this time yesterday and will be throughout the day. We woke up as you're heading to morning classes, 42 degrees, and then if you're planning on heading outside for lunch today at all, make sure you bring a jacket. You're going to need it. It'll be 50 right around noon, and then it will increase to the mid to upper 50s as a high temperature today. It was mid to upper 70s yesterday. So again, 20 degrees cooler, bring a jacket, bundle up. It's going to be a big change today. Now, for that, we have to thank this high pressure system located to our northwest. Now, high pressure systems have that clockwise motion, so it's bringing down these winds from the north and northeast. Now, remember, we have the Appalachian Mountains here, so those winds are actually banking up against the mountains, creating what we call cold air damming, which is when we have all of that cold air stuck right by the mountains, and it can't move because, again, those clockwise winds are pushing and pushing and pushing, but it has nowhere else to go but sit smack dab right over central North Carolina, which is why we are 20 degrees colder today and will be for most of the rest of the week. Now, one system we do want to keep our eye on as we go throughout the rest of the week is this area of precipitation right here. Now, as we move into tomorrow, that's going to become a low pressure system, again with counterclockwise winds, so that's going to bring up all of this moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, and as we head on through tomorrow, it's going to bring us rain on Friday. No rain tomorrow, possibly tomorrow night. We will see increasing clouds though as this gets closer, but we do have this warm front by this low pressure system, and that will move on through. So we will see temperatures increase a little bit higher than the mid 50s, but that won't last for long because what we also need to keep our eye on is this second low pressure system here. Now that's going to move through, and all of that rain should stick mostly to the south of central North Carolina, but it will bring a big temperature decrease with it later this weekend into early next week. So make sure you stay tuned and keep an eye on that big temperature change as well. Just for today though, we can see beautiful, partly cloudy skies, so it won't be completely dreary, but again, it will be in the mid to upper 50s. We're calling a high of 58, and again, that northeasterly wind causing all of that cold air to dam up against the Appalachian Mountains. So we are in cold air damming right now. We will stick in it tonight. We will have increasing cloudiness to mostly cloudy skies tonight, low of 40 with a calm wind, and that calm wind will stick around through tomorrow with a high only of 51 as that cold air starts to settle in, and mostly cloudy skies as those clouds stick around with that low pressure system advancing with all of that rain. So looking at our 5-day forecast again, you can see that rain coming straight for us Friday, 80% chance of rain, but you can pretty much count you're going to need an umbrella on Friday. And then we have that warm front come through, getting us up into the mid 60s on Saturday. And then as that second low pressure system comes up for us with the cold front, we can see it getting down to 60 on Sunday, but even cooler later on early next week. Again, I'm meteorologist Katie McGee in the NCSU Weather Center. Have a great rest of your week, Wolfpack.